wanna know his secret?
What's up guys, welcome back to the Cody project. Today we're gonna wax a car, but technically it's not wax at all. It's another product from the chemical guys, and it's a spray on wipe off one once again, but it should be quick and awesome, easy. We'll do a review, a little installation of it, you know, how to use it and all that. So let's get started. So like I said guys, it's another product from the chemical guys. This is a speed wipe. It's something that you would use, like say a couple days after you wash your car. Maybe if you want to freshen your car up, get the dirt off, get all the smudges off, something quick. And it is not a wax at all. It's actually wax free, but it does leave the mirror finish like you want and protects from the UV rays and all that like a wax would do. And it's actually cherry scented, so that could be pretty cool. But I'll show you how to use it. We'll do a little bit and then I'll fast forward through the rest and show you the results. Alright guys, let's do it. Alright guys, so this is my wife's new ride. It's an Infiniti QX80. Pretty badass, but they did a poor job at the car lot. So, we're gonna freshen it up a little bit. Oh yeah. Pretty badass, never had an Infiniti before, but you know what? That's what she wanted, so, you know, wife gets what she wants. Alright guys, back to the product. So basically, it's not like normal polishes. It's actually easier. You just spray on and wipe off. You don't have to use a double microfiber or nothing like that. It's just a simple spray your area and then wipe off with the microfiber, and that's it. Nothing after that. Should be pretty simple. Look at that. Oh yeah. See if you can see the difference already. It's pretty cool. Look at that already. But we'll go ahead and knock out the whole car and show you the final result. But it is safe to spray on anything, so you can spray it on whatever you would like. Bumper, emblems, glass, plastic, spray on, wipe off. Should be pretty simple guys. So let's speed this bad boy up and see what it looks like after it's over with. I'll give you my final review. It's pretty easy installation, honestly. Just takes a little bit of time. Alright guys, let's fast forward this bad boy. Finished. I mean, this is a pretty big SUV, and I did the whole thing, and I used about a quarter of the bottle. Not too bad. I mean, honestly guys, this is one of the easiest ones to apply. You literally spray it on and wipe it off. We'll do a walk around, check out this finish. It's getting a little dark, I know, but you can tell. I mean, look at that shine. It brings it out. This is one of the more simple products. As long as it's still half-ass washed, half clean, just with dirt and fingerprints and everything you want to remove, this is perfect. Pretty awesome. Came out pretty good guys, I'm not gonna lie. I wish there was some sun to really do it justice. But another chemical guys product guys. This is the speed wipe. And man, it does really smell like cherries. The more you wipe it, your rag starts getting really filled up with it. Then you start using a lot less at the end because your rag is already damp. Pretty awesome though. Guys, this was a pretty easy to use product. I mean, I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I know it's quick, but I mean, look at the results. It's pretty awesome, really quick. I mean, I see why they call it the speed wipe. But guys, like always, like, share, subscribe, and do what you do. And don't forget to leave stuff in the comments. Let me know what you want me to do next. Any tips, pointers, I don't care. Comments boost my videos, lets more people see them. So help me out, guys. But thanks again, man. See you on the next one.